ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 59, శ్లోక 3. నిర్గతే భవతి దత్తదృష్టయః త్వద్గతేన మనసా మృగేక్షణాః వేణునాదముపకర్ణ్య దురతః त्वद्विलासकथयाभिरेमिरे. Word by word meaning. Bhavati, when thou, Nirgate, hadst set out for the forest. Mrugekshanaha, the gazelle-eyed gopikas. Twadgatena manasa, their minds absorbed in thee. Dattadrishtayaha, their gaze fixed on thee. Durataha, from a distance. Venunadam, the sound of thy flute. Upakarnya, hearing. Twadvilasa kathaya, with narrations of thy sportive activities. Abhire mire, experienced great joy. Full meaning. The gazelle-eyed gopikas would, when thou didst leave for the forest, keep their gaze fixed on thee, with their minds absorbed in thee. When thou hadst gone out of sight, they would listen to the sound of thy flute coming from far away and would enjoy narrating thy sporting activities to one another. Note: Bhagavad Gita, chapter 10, verse 9. Machchitta madgata pranaha bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Om Tat Sat.